Welcome to day 2. It's Saturday and we are in Virginia. We are in Big Stone Gap and we are heading to the wood carving show this morning.
Virginia.
The mountains
awesome.
here are very pretty.
Yes.
If you missed it, check out this video here for a recap of
Just show them the view we're looking at right now.
of day 1 of our trip. Jonathan wants you to see our view right now. One moment. So absolutely beautiful mountains. Today truly starts the wood carving show. Excuse my cough. Yesterday was just registration and such, and then we had a fun night at the campground with a fish fry. But today we're headed to the wood carving show. Going to be there most of the day. We will be sure to show you guys some of the great stuff that we're seeing. Come along with us. Let's have a fun Saturday. Hope yours is great. So Jonathan is judging this morning, and I am hitting up the hospitality room. All right, guys, the day is getting started. Let me show you what we're looking at the Mountain Tradition Wood Carvers Carving Show for 2024. All right, Jonathan, show us your carvings that you entered into competition.
All right, we got first place. I entered this guy as well beside him.
So first place on this guy. That one was entered. That one placed or no?
No, they didn't place.
They didn't place.
My second place carving.
Then he won second place in the same category, right here.
So I was very happy.
And this was all of his competition. So first and second place in the ornament category. All right, and a new category this year
The shelf elf category.
is the shelf elf category. And dun dun dun, first place. Oh, that's great.
Really, really good carvers.
Yeah, lots of good
Participated.
competition.
Thank the Lord, I actually play, so I'm happy.
Yeah, good job. This was also Jonathan's. But his nose was too shiny. I'm just kidding. Good job, babe. Be proud.
Thank you.
Want this eye almost in line.
We got my gypsy girl, made a new friend this weekend. Sweet girl. Gypsy's been so good. Gypsy's been so good. Yes, you're right. She is a mini Aussie Doodle. So Australian Shepherd and Poodle next. And she is the most beautiful little dog. Say hey, Gypsy. You say hello to the people.
Something's short of that. Hopefully it'll work out.
All right, Jonathan is in his whittling competition.
Yes.
This is a 2-hour competition with a 2x2x6 block of wood. And you can only use a pocket knife.
Got some good competition.
Absolutely. Avery is entering into her napping competition. This is a 2-hour competition, where she will see how quickly she can fall asleep. All right, so me and Avery girl are taking a little stroll this afternoon. Get out a little bit, get some, I would say sunshine, but it's not very sunshiny. But just getting out a little bit, hoping she can take a little walking nap. And they have a nice little walking trail right here by the Carnes Gym, where the wood carving show is held. So we're getting our walk in, and they have this, all I know to call this is a contraption that is called a fitness court. It's the Big Stone Gap Fitness Court. So we're gonna go take a look at this and see, like from a distance, it seriously looks like a swimming pool. Check it out. All right, so a fitness court. Just how it works. So it's a full body circuit training center comprised of 7 movement zones. 7 movements in 7 minutes. How interesting. And so this is what it looks like. Very cool, but I have never seen this before. Oh, there's an app, a fitness court app. How interesting. Oh, look, this is cool. Okay, so see, she's got like her feet in these back, and then she's doing push-ups on these bars. That's hard. What in the world? Feet here? No way. Whew. This is very interesting. So that was the Big Stone Gap Fitness Court. If you've ever seen one of these before, let me know. I don't even know. It says it says to be a part of the world's largest free outdoor gym network. So interesting. A fitness court. We got this nice little flowing creek. course, I got the sidekick. Hey! Hey, you're supposed to be sleeping. You're supposed to be sleeping. So a few of you have wondered what's going on with Avery's face. I don't know what's going on with her face. It's very red, it's very blotchy. It's been even more red today than it has been in all the time we've been dealing with this. It's been going on for like a few weeks. It's like it'll be like super red and dry and blotchy, and then the next day it's perfect and there's nothing wrong with it. So I don't know, it's just been weird. But we woke up today and it was the worst it has been ever, and it was extremely red. It's her cheeks and then her chin, and it was extremely red and it was kind of peeling. There was like some like little yellowy kind of dry skins on it, almost like blisters, I guess. And I was very concerned. So our doctor is amazing, and I called her, actually I texted her, sent her some pictures, told her what was going on, and she was great to call us in a prescription, and we're about to go pick it up here in a few minutes here in Big Stone Gap. So she said it looks like maybe it was eczema, and then maybe some type of infection kind of set in. So we're gonna hopefully knock it out with a steroid and some antibiotics, and hopefully get this girl's face looking so pretty. And it's, you can tell it like bothers her whenever she like lays on your shoulder, she scratches her little chin. So hopefully we'll be able to get that taken care of. So Jonathan did absolutely amazing in the wood carving show. He won first place in the Shelf Elf category, which was a new category this year. Check it out. This is his Shelf Elf that he won first place in. He's been carving these for years and is just amazing at them. He also had some ornaments entered. He won second place here with this ornament, and I'm just loving the style. I mean, it's just, I'm just always amazed at what he can do. So that was his second place ornament, and then first place ornament. So he won first and second place ornaments. And check it out. Here's his first place ornament. going to one of our favorite spots. What's it
Yep,
called?
it's a must. It's good times.
Good times.
Some of the best pizza
we always
there
get
is.
pizza. It's the best pizza we can find,
Yep.
and
I love
we
it.
always make sure we stop here. So it's so fun to be downtown here.
Yeah, I love Big Stone.
It's just always
Fantastic.
a pleasurable stop.
Love it.
And lots going on downtown tonight, which is fun. They're having
Yeah.
a cruise in with those old cars. And I think maybe after we grab a pizza, we might walk a little.
Creamery.
Maybe go to the creamery.
We'll
Also a must. Also an important stop.
see. Yep.
Oh, they're not open.
You're kidding. 6.
Womp womp womp. Change of plans. Heading to Kirkland's now because Good Times don't open until 6, and we are ready to eat. Classic steak, broccoli and fries. And I got the steak tips, or the filet tips. So it's steak, rice with queso, and then I got roasted corn to go with it.
Is this not an awesome view?
It's an awesome view. It's one of the best views I've seen in a long time.
Man.
Here's a funny story. We're leaving the look-off site, and I see this lady walking toward us, and her shirt looks so familiar. And it has a logo on it that's from a high school in our area. And so Jonathan's like, talk to her, talk to her.
You gotta do it. Talk to her.
So I was like, hey, are you wearing an emergency shirt? And she was like, yes. And I looked at her car tag, and it said Floyd County on it. And she apparently is from this area.
Yeah.
And they were just up visiting.
Whitesburg, I think, is what she said.
Yeah, Whitesburg. And I was not, look at that mountain up there. How do we get up there? And I mean, such a small world, right? That we ran into someone and from like right where we go to church, basically. So crazy, crazy small world. You want to talk about that drive?
Make you think the Dragon's Tail was bad. That drive that people do called the Dragon's Tail.
I mean, my tummy feels a little.
You should have ridden with us.
We are very, very high.
We are extremely high.
We are somewhere called High Knob.
Yeah.
High Knob Lookout Tower. And we're headed to the tower now.
Dude.
And it is high.
I believe this is the highest I've ever been in the mountains.
High, high, high.
And we've been up very, very high before.
Yeah, this feels like going like to Klingman's Dome or something like
Well,
that.
maybe
Copper border.
Clemens Dome might be.
Could be
we need to
higher, I
check.
don't know.
It might be
Yeah.
higher.
Yeah, I don't know what
This is
the
beautiful though.
elevation is.
Flowers are pretty.
They are.
There's the tower.
Yeah.
This would be a perfect view.
Burning off that good dinner. We'll be ready for ice cream. Is it bad that that's what I'm thinking about?
Oh, it's fine. I will say the temperature difference is incredible.
Yeah.
There's one of them.
Are there two?
I think so.
No, I think it wraps around. High Knob Tower. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Absolutely worth it.
Pictures and videos will not do it.
No,
justice.
absolutely not. Man, it was like you could just see
That is.
forever. Shout out to
It's one of the prettiest views of mountains
some
I've
of the
ever seen in my life.
Shout out to some of the guys we ran into up there. They're with the Back Roads of Appalachia.
Yep.
Is that right? The Back Roads of Appalachia.
Check them out, y'all.
They have an app. You can explore all of Appalachia and has some amazing stuff going on that app. So the Back Roads of Appalachia, check them out. And High Knob Lookout Tower, incredible stop. Incredible
100%.
stop.
How in this world did they run these power lines up this mountain?
All right, Flag Rock Overlook is the last stop for the day. Big drop.
I know, baby.
And we're trying to make it before dark. Love the creamery, darling. Last year you were in my little belly at the creamery. All right, it's day 3. Happy Sunday. Last day of our trip.
Yeah, sad.
Last day of the carving show. We'll be headed home today. So
It's been a great show.
it's been super fun. We've had a great time. Today should be pretty relaxing. Not a whole lot going on. We've got to try to get a pizza before we leave. So we did not get our pizza last night. So let's see. Addie is with Mama now. She's left Grandma's house, so she's staying with Mama today. And she woke up this morning and she said, "My mom is far away in Cedartown, Georgia," which is just adorable. But we're on our way to the show. It's gonna be a good day, and we'll see you guys there. Wow, a ton of people over there.
was a good trip.
We did a lot this time. We
I'm
were
tired, though.
we were hardly at the house.
I'm tired.
We only slept there. All right, it is 4:16, and we are finally starting our journey home.
Yay.
Be happy to see Addie girl. Look at that
Absolutely.
camper.
Show them the camp.
Hang on. Like the door's open. Like I could walk up in there if I wanted to.
I wonder if they know the door's open.
What in the world? That was a puzzle. Anyway, good trip. Good carving show.
A lot of fun. Good to see everybody.
Always good to see everybody in the carving world.
Yep.
Avery was the star of the show.
Oh, they loved her. How can you not?
How can you not? She's such a little sweet baby. Did you enjoy your time? Are you proud of your carvings?
Yep.
Brought home lots of prizes. Also brought home a very large piece of wood that he won in a raffle.
Yeah, it's almost as long as me.
Yeah, it was probably, I mean, it's really probably
Thankfully,
like
it fit in
5
the
foot
car.
long. Yes.
It fit in the car.
Good thing. Otherwise, we would have had to have sold it to somebody. No. It was a good trip. We are right at like 5 hours from home. 4 hours and 48 minutes. So it's going to be a long journey. We're going to try to just
Go as
hammer
far
it
as
out.
we can.
Go as far as we can.
We
as
haven't
fast
eaten
as we
anything
can.
either in a while. So
You hardly get any of your lunch, so
I had one hot dog.
yeah, we haven't had a lot of. Well, you haven't had a lot of food. I had 2 hot dogs with chili and slaw, and I had chips, and I had fruit.
I had a little bag of crunchy Cheetos
Cheese curds.
and small bag of white cheddar popcorn.
You do love that.
Snacking. I need something good to eat.
Snacking. What do you want for dinner?
Steak and baked potato.
Again?
Yeah,
We just had that last night.
we did, didn't we?
Where do you want it
I
from?
told you I could eat it again.
You did. You gonna take me out with your prize winnings?
Might as well. It's fun to compete. So if everyone's watching, and it's from the show, and we met you guys at the show. It's good to see you guys again. Lord willing, we look forward to seeing you guys next year.
Yeah. Let's get home.